What's going on? It's AMAR here from Hillyards Rim Lines. Today we're doing a review video on rims and tires on our brand new vehicle. We've got a 2019 Ram 1500 5.7 liter that we just got in the shop. Today we're installing our brand new 20-inch winter package. We've got some replica gunmetal rims wrapped with 275 60/20 BLIZZAK tires. And something you want to see for the very first time is a 6-bolt pattern on this Dodge pickup. It's a 6x139.7, the exact same as GM. So the same exact GM fitment of rims will now work on the brand new 2019 Ram pickups. Since they're 6-bolt, now totally redesigned, guys. All new outside, front end, grills, fenders, completely redesigned. Look at this beautiful chrome grille that says Ram right in it. So if you're looking up wheels and tires, guys, you got to look up Ram, not Dodge. Okay, let's come around the side here. So again, we got some nice gloss gunmetal rims here. Nice chrome mirror caps, doors, got new curves in it. Like I said, brand new design. LED lights in the handles. Nice wheel opening moldings. The BLIZZAK's going to handle really nice. They're probably one of the #1 rated snow tires in Canada. Alright, tonneau cover on this vehicle is extra. So this is a LARAMIE package, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles. And we're going to show you guys the interior. Wait until you guys feast your eyes on this beautiful interior. You guys ready? Look at this. Beautiful two-tone creamy white and a nice brown color. Look at that detailing, stitching, wood trim, fully loaded, every single option, guys. Navigation, power group, premium audio, steering wheel controls. Look at that big screen. Nice new cluster. I think this truck is just shy of about 9,000 Big touchscreen, guys. A lot of nice controls. Now, this doesn't even look like a work truck anymore. This looks like a beautiful brand new luxury SUV. Look at that. USB ports, auxiliary, wireless, everything. We didn't have a chance to power this up, but we're going to give you a nice in-depth review. Look at that huge console. I'm telling you, this is an amazing vehicle. Look at the fine detailing, the stitching, the LARAMIE stitching in the seats. The suede, if you guys can notice carefully, there's suede and leather in the seat with a two-tone brown stitching. Like I said, power seats back and forth. Got the WeatherTech mats in here. Looking very nice. Like I said, totally revamped, redesigned, brand new 2019 Ram. We're going to go to the back. Super cab, 4 proper doors. We just installed brand new winter tires on this, guys, and rim package. It's got a bench seat, no captains in the back. Same exact interior trim. 4 USB ports in the back, wood charging, Thunderbolt charging plugs for all your smartphones and tablets. Plenty of breathing room. Now, pickup trucks have come a long way, guys. They're probably better and more luxurious than your average SUV right now. Like I said, tonneau cover is extra on this. Coming around the side here now. Sorry guys, a little bit of a tight video. The shop's jam-packed with tires. We're just going to show you the rims again. Perfect. It's got a +30 offset. These rims are replica brand, guaranteed fit, clear all the calipers, suspension, everything, all the components. Or look at the passenger side. All the LARAMIE badging, because you get what you pay for if you want that beautiful LARAMIE package. You got the Dodge the Ram logo stamped in the center console in Boston leather. And we just can't get enough of this center console setup here. And the very nice wood accents. And look at this huge, I would say this is bigger than a panoramic roof. More than 80% of the roof is all glass. And I'm sure you guys noticed, like I mentioned before, the beautiful suede accents. Like, Dodge has really done an awesome job this year, guys. They really put a lot of time, care, and quality in the interior of this vehicle. Door panels are not plasticky anymore. They've got real leather, nice white stitching. 2 massive cup holders in the back, 2 in the front. Look at that beautiful, nice headliner. All of the 4 rims and tires did fit in bags in the rear of the vehicle in case you're ever going to do a winter switchover, guys. So this is the brand new 2019 Ram 1500 reviewed here at Rimlines, Hamilton, Ontario. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Hillyards Rimlines, or my personal account at AMAR SIHRA. DM below, guys. We're going to have a video following the truck pulling out. Alright, stay tuned.